Hi guys, as a part of Python programming, in this lecture we discuss what exactly comments in Python. Okay, and we are going to discuss these seven topics. That is the comments in Python, single line comments with examples, and then we move to the multiple line comments. We discuss about using string literals, docstring comments, and then we discuss about importance of comments in Python and best practice for writing comments. Okay, the first one we discuss what exactly comments in Python. See, comments in Python are lines in the code that are ignored by the interpreter during the execution. See what exactly? Suppose in a program we have multiple lines, okay, which just provide the information, okay, which provide the information means they enhance the code reusability, help explain the code to others, and assist in understanding the code when revisited. Okay, so what happened? Suppose you written a code. Okay, after a few months or after a year, the other guy will work on your code. So you have to understand what exact code you have written. Okay, suppose you are working on a code which you written 6 months back. You revisited it. Then you're not able to remember what exactly code you remember written, right? So if you write a comment, by using this comment, we understand that what the purpose of this code here. So I show in the example here. Okay, and we discuss about the single line comments also. Okay, so I'll open the Visual Studio Code and Jupyter I'm using here. I click on code here. See, here I write a small program, just x variable, and I say 5 and print x. That's it. It's a small program. So what exactly I'm doing here? So I'm assigning a 5 value to a x variable and I'm printing the output of the x variable here. Just click on here. Just it. And then what I will do, I'll enhance it more. Y is equal to 10 and I say x plus y. So what am I doing here? I'm assigning a value to the x variable that is a 5 and assigning the value that is 10 to the y. And then I am adding x and y and I'm printing this value here. Simple program. But here, if some new guy comes into picture, okay. So what do you think? What is x? What is 10 here? What print x and y? So here, if you provide the a comment, it is easy to understand. What I'm saying here, see, suppose x is equal to 5. So what I say, here I write, so I'm working a single comment here. So we see what is single line comment. See, single line comment starts with a hashtag symbol and last until the end of line. They are useful to provide for the short explanation of variables, functions, declaration, and expressions. Means the single line comment starts with a hashtag and it lasts till the end of line. We'll see how exactly. Okay, go back to our Python here. See here, I say assign 5 to x variable. Okay, here, see, if I go click on run, it says invalid syntax because here what I'm doing, I'm creating a comment and I'm saying that what's the use of this x here. So assign 5 to the x variable. So what happened when you run the Python interpreter will go through this line and see, okay, this is it thinks it is a code here. Okay, and it try to execute that one in type of execution, it says this is a invalid syntax because it is comment. So how can you able to provide a single line comment? Just make hashtag. Just it. Now we run it. It run. Because if any line of code or anything starts with a hashtag, it treats as a comment here until the end of the line. See here, I put anything here. See till the end of the line. Till the end of I'm giving some value here till this end of the line, it thinks it treats as a comment. It treats as a comment here. Okay. This is the single line comment. And one more thing you have to remember, we cannot provide here only. Okay, we can provide the comment at the start of the line, or if you want to provide, see here what I did before x is equal to 5, I have assigned this comment here. But what I want to assign here, this type of comment, I can provide here assign, let's just say 10 to y here. Y. Now click on run. It will work. What I will do? Yeah, it will work because the comment can start from the new line or after the line of code. And the comment should start with the hashtag here. See here we have y is equal to 10 and then I have written a comment here. Okay, so what the Python will do, it will check this thing till the code, and once the hashtag starts, whatever the it is, it treat as a comment. Okay, so we can place a comment at the new line, and after the code also we can place the comment and followed by the hashtag. Okay, that is the thing we need to remember here. Okay, so you can see here I start place a comment at the start of the line, and then here after assigning the variable, then I'm placing a comment here. So both will work here. So both will work. Okay, and now I want to print x and y. I want to add a comment here. I say sum of x and y. That's it. So this is a comment for print, and this is a comment for x. This is a comment for y. So you can place these comments like this here. So this is a example for single line comment. Okay, single line comment. Now we discuss about multiple line comment. See, multiple in Python does not have a specific syntax for multiple line comments. However, you can use multiple single line comment or string literals to achieve the same effect. So, multiple line of comment you can achieve in two ways: using multiple hashtags or by using the triple quotes as a multi-line string. Okay, so we'll see this example here. So come back here. Yeah, here I want to provide. See, this is the program. Okay, I say I want to provide a description for this program. What exactly this program do? Okay, so I say description. What exact description I want to say? This program will assign x and y values, and next is the print the sum of x plus y. Okay, I want someone add. I say, and this author of this program is Ramesh. Okay, so and I say I have our date also. Okay, leave it. So here I am providing some information here. Some information I'm providing. So as a description I'm providing here. The first line is description. This program will assign. This program will assign x and y values, print the sum of x and y, x plus y, and who has written this program is written by the author Ramesh. So here, what I am doing, if you want to execute, you can execute here. Okay, just I want to change the values here to see the effect here. And just say, okay, now we do 1000. Okay, so what I am doing here, I am adding the multiple lines of comments here. Okay, so how I'm achieving the multiple line of comments by providing the hashtag for the each line of code here. So you see description I have provided hashtag. This program will assign x and y values. I provide hashtag here. Print sum of x and y. I provide hashtag. Author Ramesh. I provide a hashtag here. So multiple lines of code we can achieve multiple lines of comment we can achieve by the providing the each line of comment with the hashtag. See here, it is last looks good because I am adding each and every time. Just make it. See, each and every time I'm adding hashtag here. So to avoid this one, what we can do, we can write a multiple line of comment. How we can achieve that is we can use this triple quotes here. Just use triple quotes. It works as a multi-line comment. Okay, we'll see now. Here, now I will remove this one. I remove the hashtags for each line. Okay, now I want to make it a multi-line comment. Just use triple quote. One, two, three. Okay, just remove this one and add it here. Just become comment. Just click on and run. Just to change the value here. Just see the effect here. Okay, just click on run. See now what I did, I removed the hashtag for each line of comment here and I provided triple quote here. Now this block of description has become I kept it as a multiple line comment here. Okay, so we can write single comment, single line of comment and multiple line comment in Python. Okay, for achieving single line comment, we had used hashtag before the comment here. Okay, and if you want multiple line of comment, we have to enclose this complete comment in triple quotes here. Starting and ending, we have to have triple quotes. Okay, so this is the single line comment and multiple line of comment. Okay, and one more we have. One more is the single literals. I told right we have single quotes and we have double quotes here. Where you can use this double quotes. Okay, so when we have doc string comments, next is the doc string comments. Here we use the string literals. Okay, so what exactly doc string comments? The doc strings are the string literals with triple quotes that appear right after the function, module, class definition. They are used to document the purpose and usage of code can be accessed via underscore doc underscore attributes. See, it looks like this. Here I am using, see here I am using the doc, using the string literals. Okay, I am using string literals to add a comment. Okay, and when I run this program, it prints the doc string of multiple function here. So this is the use of doc string comments. Okay, now we go to next one is what is the importance of comments in Python? Not only Python, in any programming language. See, comments are essential for enhancing the code readability, explain the code to others, understanding the code when revisited, document step by step and need of a function, collaborating with multiple developers. These are very, very, very important things we remember about the comments. Okay. And next one is the best practices for writing the comments. Okay. Keep comments short and precise. Use comments only when necessary. Avoid writing generic or basic comments. Write comments that are self-explanatory. Okay, so we need to keep all this in mind when you're writing a comment here. Okay, by following these practices, you can ensure that your comments are effective and helpful for others, for you and others also. Okay, you may read your code in future. So this is the use of comments. Okay, so how you achieve the comments in Python? We have single line comments by, and we can achieve single line comments by using the hashtag and multi-line comments by using the triple quote here. So we have seen the example here. Just go here. This is the single line comment by the hashtag. And please note the if what when from the starting of hashtag, the Python interpreter with tree has a comment here. So here I place the comment at the starting of the line. Here, after the line of code, I am placing the comment here. So once the hashtag starts, the Python will treat as a comment here. Okay, what I will do, I will one more I'll add here. I say, see, z equal to 50. But what I will do, I will comment here. Okay, and now I want to print Z. Okay, now I will run it. See, it's not printing the Z here because I'm commenting here and it is giving an error for me. Okay, so if I remove this one, then Z is equal to 50 to assign it because Python interpreter will read this code. See, I remove the hashtag here, I run it, it says it prints the Z value here. So this is a use of comment in Python. Okay, so we have single line comment and multiple line of comment, and we have doc strings here. So if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.